All right, here we are today. We are headed to pick up this abandoned 1948, 49, or 50 Chevy truck. I believe it's a 1-ton. We got to move some trees out of the way to get to it, and we're gonna have a flatbed pick it up. We'll do some filling up with the tires and a good walk around and go from there. Here we are. That is cool, man. It needs work though. Holy.
There's a road there where they drove up.
Yeah.
The guy drove up here and parked it. The road is there.
Yeah.
So if you go down this way, I don't think you can get it through here anymore.
No.
This is where the old road was. There.
Oh yeah. He might be able to get in there.
I don't know, a big crawler, I don't think so.
No, we'll probably have to move all the trees on this side.
I think it's probably better just to try to pull it out backwards out into the field, and then he can pick it up there if we can just pull it with the big truck.
Yeah, we'll just pull it. I got a chain.
Yeah, I've got a heavy duty chain too.
Look at that, eh? That is so cool. I wonder what year it is. What year?
I'm almost positive it's a 1-ton. It's not a half-ton.
Yeah.
Because of the rear end. See, she's got the great big rear end
It says
axle.
1420 right there.
Yeah, yeah. I'll have to look that up. But she's like 8-bolt rims on it. I think it's a 1-ton.
There's even a track.
Looks like they're...
Rim for it right here.
Oh wow.
But there's a bench over there.
There's one here too, buddy. Oh no, that's a 5-bolt. That is so cool.
So,
What kind of engine is this, Les?
probably a 250.
It's got the breather in there too.
235. Might be.
Somebody stuck the breather down there.
There's no. Oh, there it is. There. The little wing nut.
Oh, nice.
Missing, but it's right here.
Does the carb still move? Ooh, yeah. That's pretty yucky.
We're gonna have to get it jacked up and see if we can't actually move it. Move it out to the field for this guy.
Yeah, I would just message them and say try and come around 1. It's going to take some time.
I'm not gonna worry about it. I think we should just try to get things going.
There used to be something on the side, eh? Like a company name? Used to be like a company name on the side or something. Oh yeah, she's rough, man.
Like not worth taking home, you think? Or?
Yeah.
Huh?
I don't know. Hard to say. Does the other door open? I love that, eh? The steel doors. I would still take it. But she's rough. That door was just kind of sitting there, Les. No, that one won't open.
Split rings, I think, on them. We might not even be able to blow up the tires. I think they got a split ring on them. Well, maybe it does take a tube.
Yeah, it looks like it. That thing is awesome. All right, you want to grab the air compressor and try?
Or yeah, well, yeah, I guess so.
Those are like little trailer lights on the back, eh?
It just has one. That's it.
Yeah.
So that cherry needs to go. Other than that,
Look like underneath.
well, I'll take these tires out because they're not worth anything.
Box doesn't seem too bad, eh?
No, not terrible. The wood's easy to replace.
The mirrors are still there.
Glass is all here.
Alright, let's see if it actually takes air. That would be fucking awesome if it just lifts.
Split ring. That's the old style. So it is a 1-ton.
Yeah.
So it means the suspension on this thing will be heavy duty stuff.
Gotta hold that, yeah. Let's see if it actually crawls up.
I'm hearing it cracking.
The ground's frozen too, eh?
Yeah.
Even if you just look at the gauge on the front and get 20 or 30 pounds in each, you gotta let off to...
One.
Hard to say if it's even taking air, eh?
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Lifting out.
Oh yeah, there it is.
It's alive!
Holy shit.
Scary.
I'd say some air and go to the next one, buddy. Or just waste it all.
It's leaking out of here.
Yeah, it's leaking out of there. Here, let's go to this back tire. I can't believe it held air like that. That's great.
This one doesn't look like it's gonna be as easy. Oh, maybe.
Yeah, if you put that little pig off to the side.
Hey?
Yeah, there you go.
Part of the plastic still on there?
No, you're good.
No, there isn't. Part of the plastic thing.
Oh.
The valve coils on there. I couldn't push this on.
Freezing.
Oh no, it's nasty here. It's nice at my house.
It would have been nice to revive this right on the spot, just given like the area and how nice it is in here. But there you go. I can't believe it bounced right up like that. It's so cool. There you go. Now she's going.
Oh, she's coming out of the ground.
You can hear it, eh?
Yeah.
Well, if the frame's still good on it, man, it's totally worth it.
Well, being the 1 ton, I think it might have the heavier frame. Let's try this other front tire.
This side. Oh, that's 2 out of 4. Look at that, eh? It lifted right out.
That looks terrible.
Does it?
I don't know if I'd even try this one. It's off the rim, eh?
Oh yeah, that one's not gonna go.
So I'll just walk it through here, I think.
There you go.
Well, we've got 3. That's not bad.
You could almost take that spare and throw it on, eh? If it was a little bit out of the ground.
If it wasn't so cold and
Yeah.
I had an impact.
Yeah, she's pretty rough, but I would take it. Think you'll fix it? Think you'll fix it, Les?
I'd love to. I love this style of truck.
Me too.
I'd rather fix this than my other ones I got. Oh, here she comes. I think she's coming out of the ground.
Yeah, might as well blast all the air we got.
Well, we can always try the other one. If we get 3 tires holding,
We'll grab you a snack in a minute, okay, buddy? Yeah, we'll grab you one in a minute, okay, buddy? Yeah, here it comes. It's crazy, eh? People just let this stuff sit like that.
Yeah.
So it looks like that path's the best way. In order to get this out, we're going to have to get rid of this tree. You said that's a cherry? That's a cherry, eh?
Yeah, that roughly cherry one?
Yeah.
Black cherry.
So the goal is we're gonna cut down this tree right here, and then we're gonna take the truck and pull it straight out that way towards the field. That's all right. All right, great. We'll just leave that air pig there. Sure, honey. Yeah, she's pretty frozen, man. You just want to see the rest of the tire. There it is, look at that.
Wow. Looks like an army tire.
This truck would be so cool all armied up, man. Do a camo job or something on it?
Yeah. Back to the original camo beast.
So the gas tank's behind the seat in this one, eh?
Yeah, yeah.
Is it still there, I wonder?
I would think so.
Yeah, still there. Yeah, gas tank's up in there. It's not connected, but... Oh, what does she need? Yeah, so the goal was to actually fire this thing up right here, but we are in southern Ontario, and we're about 7 days now before Christmas, and it is freezing out. So ground's frozen, and we kind of want to just get this out of here and get it back to the farm before you know, we have a foot of snow in the way. So this is going to be our part 1 of this video series. Probably do 3 parts. Today we're gonna get it out of here after we cut a path, load it onto the flatbed, and then we're going to bring it to the power wash, give it a good wash down. We'll add that into this video, and then the next one will be us wrenching on it, and we're gonna get the tires all good on it and hear it run and hopefully get it moving and whatnot. We'll vacuum out the interior and yeah, go from there. But pretty sweet. This is actually paid $50 for this. Somebody just wants it gone, and we paid $50 for it, and well spent, I would say. We got all the kids here. Little Willie man.
What about
Aiden, Shaylin. She's rough, but it'd be a shame to leave it here. Alright, well, we're gonna go and start up some chainsaws. We're gonna get all these trees cleared out of the way, and once we get the trees cleared out of the way, we're gonna start tugging on this thing and try and get it out to this clearing over here, just to make it easier for the tow truck guy. See you in a minute.
Need to move your truck. I got that one.
Depends on how good you are at dropping them. Maybe we should be wrenching on saws, eh? Instead of trucks.
Yeah.
Maybe we should be wrenching on saws instead of trucks. Fuck, I didn't even bring mine. I figured you got 2. There it is. LS! Timber! Alright, here's the final tree. Right next to the truck. try the Blazer and then, because I don't mind either. I got that heavy duty hook chain.
I got a big brute of a chain right here.
You want the...
It's up to you, what do you think?
That? But I got the hook too, if you want the hook or...
A double hook on it.
Okay, let's do that then.
Put the fucking coat on because it's freezing and start the chainsaw now. I'm like soaked as well. I think we'll almost be able to pull her out.
Yeah. Alright, so now we're going to back this thing up. We're going to try tugging on it. Wes is determined to use his Blazer so we don't wreck the wife's truck. Oh, falling over. Okay. Probably alright.
Well,
where are you going to put the chain?
Around the rear end, I think, or around the spring shackle.
Okay.
I wonder if we should call the lady and tell her we're...
Oh, she said, you already called her. She said it's good.
Yeah.
Maybe once we drag it out, we'll just give her the $50 and... She probably doesn't want anything to do with it.
She said she wanted to see it.
Oh, she wanted pictures maybe?
Let's see.
Even better, we'll do her a YouTube video of getting it going.
Yeah. I think this is their number. I'm going to check again.
Even the plug wires are still good, man.
Oh, are they?
Yeah. Bet you put some gas down the carb and she starts right up. No?
I think we should just go ahead and give her a pull.
Oh, I'll keep it. No? Might be a good...
Much good. I can make a new one.
Can you? What does the odometer say on it? It'd be nice to... Can you open up that door on that side? Will it swing open, I wonder? Headliners never last, eh? Yeah, it's been a home for the mice, eh? Yeah. Yeah, if you get that open, it'd be cool to see the odometer.
Try. It'll throw up first.
There it is. It was just the knob was stuck. Some oil would be great.
I think there's WD in the truck. So I might have it neutral now.
So what is... Where's the odometer on it? Oh, there it is. $48,564. 48,564. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah.
Here's the frame. There.
Door's pretty good.
Right?
Door's pretty good.
See, this is frame here.
Oh yeah. It's just around there. If not, you could always do it right to the pumpkin, couldn't you?
Well, short distance is better, hey?
Yeah, I guess so, eh? So we're gonna attempt to pull this out that tree line, eh, Les? Attempt to.
Hey?
Attempt to pull it out that tree line.
See what happens, kids. Stay out of the way.
Yeah, guys, come on over here. Do you think I should be trying to steer it or just tug it?
You gotta yank it out of the hole first.
Okay.
That'd be the trickiest.
We'll get you a drink in a minute, okay? You're okay for a minute. Yeah, okay, over here.
Alright, here we go.
Yeah. Whoa. Nope. Yeah.
Little yank, maybe?
Yeah. Probably my truck, 4-wheel drive. What? No, she moved. She moved, but not very much. I would use my truck. Yeah, let's just use my truck.
Try this once more.
Yeah. No. No, man.
Spins, it's ice underneath.
Yeah. Just unhook and I'll pull mine in.
You think you can get it with yours?
Maybe. 4-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, it's recording.
Chain's tight, I think.
Yep, chain's tight. She should walk her right out of there. Oh yeah. Give her a little tug. Just a little tug. Yeah. It went right back in its hole. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah, give her. Oh no. It's that front tire, eh? No, hey, no. Front door open. I don't think it's gonna. It's that front tire, man. It's just smashing into the You got a shovel or anything? It's just that front tire. It's just ramming right into that thing.
Ramming into what?
Right into the bank right there. It's not even crawling up and over. You can try again. I don't mind. I'm just worried about hurting her.
Videotape. Maybe you do the abusive. You want to give it the yank instead? Because I don't want to hurt it.
Okay, yeah, just hold it like this. Try and get it crawling out. I be the abusive on this little ram?
I don't want to be in trouble for that.
Ashley will love me after seeing this video.
No. Not yet. You got enough to give it a jump, though. It's in gear, the truck. Hang on a second. I think the truck's in gear.
Yeah.
As long as this door doesn't open up and get swallowed.
That shock mount's gone, eh?
Huh?
The shock's gone.
Oh, sorry. I can't get the door open again.
There you go. I cleaned off the little thing a little bit, so you might be able to see where it's shifting into.
I don't think it shows you though.
No? Well, it might not even be in gear. It might.
Ignition key's in it.
Oh yeah? Oh wow. So did you put so the shifter's moving then, eh?
It should be in neutral now, I think.
Okay.
I'm hoping.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's mostly the fronts that are causing the issue.
Yeah, a little trick too is to be able to shove some stuff down in here so it doesn't walk forward again.
Hey guys, hey, play with your sister too, please. Okay, William, remember what I said, buddy? You want me to tug again? It's not, that's just... Guys, hey, be nice to Shaylin, or you guys will be sitting in the truck.
Okay, yeah, I guess try tugging again.
Here, buddy. You take over the camera. I want to see this bad boy crawling out. That's important to me.
Okay.
I did just throw up all the tires, too. I got a low one.
Well, if we can get this, might take care if I can get the mud out of it.
Let's try one more now that it's in here.
I think it's in neutral. I'm not positive.
That's not moving, man.
Almost had it.
Really?
Yeah, you're halfway out. Next time you get that far, hold the brake on. I'll put stuff under the tire.
Okay. I just can't see it. So.
Yeah. Whoa! Whoa!
Got that on video.
I'm pretty sure I did. Come on out, have a look.
Fucking got her, eh?
I don't know what it is.
That's a smile of happiness right there.
When it jumped out of the hole, I think I jumped out of the hole.
That better be on video. I can't believe we got her. Yeah, we should pack stuff in that hole, eh?
Well, if you can knock the mud out of this here.
No, I just mean we should probably fill that hole with shit. That way it doesn't fall back
We
in.
might be able to blow up that tire is what I'm thinking. If we can knock that mud off the valve stems there.
Okay.
Let me grab my glove. You just popped right in the hole.
This thing has been a task. It's pretty cool though. We just finally got it out of the hole.
Who are you?
I'm Kathy. Who are you?
I'm Jalen. I'm video.
At least it didn't fall apart, Les.
Hi, William.
No, no, it took a good little pop and didn't do anything. I don't know what to say if the back tires are seized up or...
Did you see them roll at all?
No. And when it popped out of the hole, I tried to jump.
Do you have any idea what this used to say on the side?
It's got some farm saying on the side.
Yeah, some old deco or something on this side.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, like one of those farm grain truck or something like that.
Yeah. Right here, you can see walk it looks like.
No fun.
Oh, God, I have no idea.
Huh.
That'll get you a case of beer.
Thank you.
Not a problem.
My name is.
So how long has this been sitting here?
But I'm really young.
We're recording. You don't mind, eh, that we're recording? Okay, we're going to try and do a video of this, so.
The old man
My
drove it up in here in 1977.
1977, eh? Wow. So that makes it,
When young.
so my math is bad, 77, so that's 23 plus another 20, so 43 years ago. Wow,
Yeah.
43
Yeah,
years it's been
160,
sitting.
so
Wow. And he drove it right here and parked it, eh?
we drove it in here and parked it. Yep.
We just had the doors open, the keys in it.
Yeah, the keys in it,
No
yeah.
ownership for the keys in it.
Oh, that's good though.
We have to open these windows.
Oh, the one's cracked. Really?
That's okay, it's a small one. That won't be terrible. It's these big ones and the front ones, see how it goes?
Yeah.
When those things get broken, they're so hard to find. But I gotta put a ratchet strap around to keep the two doors closed.
Yeah.
Because the guy's gonna haul it backwards on the trailer.
Yeah, we'll just roll them down and then ratchet strap them closed. You got ratchet straps?
Yeah, I got two
Okay.
of them I brought. And then I can look at other stuff.
It's a thing of beauty, eh, Les? I get excited about.
It'd be beautiful on my front lawn.
Yeah. I get excited about things like this. I don't even
do
care.
too. I was
Yeah.
up at 4 this morning. 'Cause I was all excited about it.
I couldn't sleep last night, man.
Yeah, I woke up at 4 this morning and then I was like, well, the worst thing comes to worst if I can't get a trailer. So then I started phoning around and the next thing you know, we couldn't get a trailer.
I'm just glad you admitted that my truck the Ram is
Will you videotape?
better than the Chevy. Yeah.
Yes, I guess the dog beat the Chevy.
It beat the Chevy today. Even though the Dodge pulled out the Chevy. Isn't there a song? Isn't there a song where the Dodge pulled out the Chevy and then the Chevy pulled out the Ford or something?
Yeah.
There is a song, right?
It's too funny.
If you can't dodge it, ram it.
All the tires came up except for this one because we can't find the valve stem for it. But all the tires put air in them, they came up.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's what we were all like, that's wild.
Try and turn it over.
No, I didn't grab that
Oh, Les,
at all.
try that. Try to roll it.
I don't know if I can reach down and even get it.
The
There's
belt's
a whole
gone.
nest in there. The belt's missing too, eh?
You can't just turn. Oh yeah, I guess you can't turn the
Can't even
fan.
see the flywheel right now. I can't even see where the flywheel is on it right
What's
now.
this?
What's a piece of it? Oh, the breather got yanked right off it too, and
Yeah.
we put that inside. Oh no, did I lose that T-bar that was with it? No,
Nope, it's still there.
It's on it still. I like that little. Hey?
I talked to it.
Oh, your phone. Okay, yeah.
All the paint off the windows.
Oh, and you hand scrape all the windows for it. So this is actually silver that's on there.
Yes.
It's like a silver, yeah.
Oh,
It was
pretty.
blue. You can still see some blue. Now it's done not.
This would look so good like an army green.
Oh yeah?
Like a
Dark green like it is?
yeah, just like it is, like the old, like do like an army green or something.
I wouldn't mind having it the dark
Green's
green.
my favorite color.
Eh?
Green is my favorite
Oh.
color. But it was definitely blue.
Oh, nice.
when I was
Do you
riding.
want to change tires?
Yeah.
Does it fit on there? That's probably the right
it
one.
is, too.
Oh my god, that's the one for
That's
it.
the one for it, yeah. That's funny.
You should use that on the other wheel, see
You
if
seen it on the hole there.
use that on the other wheel and see if the oh, see if it's got oil in it, Les.
Spare tire.
Yeah, well there's two actually. Hey, Will.
Yeah.
The rear end was actually frozen in the ground. There's a big blob of mud stuck to the bottom of it.
Oh wow.
Oh, that's blue too. I don't know blue.
Where's the dipstick for this, Les?
I'm right here. My wife. The dipstick, that must mean she likes me this day.
Not when you bring this thing home.
No, I know.
You not think she'll see the beauty in it?
No.
My wife said if one's coming home, one has to go. So then I was talking to a fella, and that's when I found out about getting a flat deck to come over here and pick it up. I said, well, I've got a car over at my house has no motor, you can have it. So I'm going to drop this one in my house. He's gonna pick
Let's
it
check
up.
the oil on this thing.
I'll pay him for this whole thing and give him the car just to be nice. I think it's a little farther than we thought it was to get here. It's still a bit over there. What?
Could you not put a 350 Chev in this?
Oh yeah, you probably could, yeah. Be interesting, but
Yeah.
good.
That's what I would do. I mean, you probably have to lift the cab anyways, right?
Well, you'd take the front off it.
Or the front, yeah.
Take the front off it and then put the motor in and then put the front back on.
It's funny it looks so small.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They don't look really big, eh?
No. I'm actually impressed that it's in this good a shape, to be honest.
That's awesome that the tires held there. You know what happened, eh, Les? I bet you can't find that stem because the tube pushed back.
Oh, the tube pulled it in.
Yeah, that's what happened, I bet.
Oh, getting home. Heidi!
They'll come
One
off.
of the wing nuts loose.
Can you imagine?
It might come off because these are all just on there barely.
You got a jack, you can jack it up and put that spare on it.
Yeah, I do.
Heidi! Come
Oh!
on, baby!
There's a puppy dog. Look at the puppy dog.
Come here.
Hey guys! Hey, don't run at the dog, guys. Wait till the dog
Yeah,
gets
wait.
to know you.
You gotta wait till the doggy knows you.
Oh my goodness.
As if.
Even if we can get just a bit of air in it.
As if they're not froze on though, eh?
Is there anything left in that tank?
Yeah, there should be. Yeah, there's still 75 pounds.
75?
Yeah.
It really doesn't sound like it's doing much.
Oh, right there, you can see on your gauge.
Yeah, but is it going into the tire?
Yeah, I hear it. Yeah, she's going.
You want to do that? I'll go grab the jack and that? I can't
Yeah.
believe this.
What have you got?
Shove that on there good for me.
It is on good. It's not leaking though.
Yeah, it is.
Hey?
It's leaking.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. There you go.
Pretty heavy.
I have a brand new one on my shop wall.
What's that?
One of these things.
Oh, do you? Oh.
Yeah.
Do
you think that's
oh my god, I can't believe we're gonna put a tire on it. I'll grab my 4-way, I guess.
Yeah, she's holding 20 pounds.
She's a little scared.
Now we're gonna attempt to jack this thing up and put another tire on it just to make it roll a lot better. All the lug nuts are actually surprisingly loose and movable. Yeah! What's the difference? Just this.
Oh, some of the old ones used to have springs in the front.
Okay.
See, the tire's turning even.
Yeah. So the brakes aren't even stuck on.
So you have to get her to give you the wall back, so that's the hard part. Heidi, come.
That's great, man.
Well, the key is in it.
Oh yeah,
I don't know.
we just noticed that like 20 minutes ago. We're just like, oh my god, the key's still in it.
But that clutch ain't moving. That's fucking.
Oh, did you try to push the clutch in? Well, I tried to just put it in neutral. If the truck could just roll in neutral.
Oh, this thing's, what does it got for a transmission, Les?
3-speed in the tree.
Oh, it's 3-speed in the tree. That's awesome. Oh, sweet, man.
WD-40 in the back.
Hey?
My truck is a WD-40 in the back.
I'll go check. Hey, no chasing, William.
His son just started doing this. Just got the truck. He's probably had it a month now. Started. Can you come get me?
Oh, yeah.
And they laugh at me pretty good, I think.
Oh, the other way.
Wrong hand, honey.
Hey.
No, let's put it on the other hand, honey.
Little.
Look at that, eh?
You try to get the parts, are you?
The
Yeah,
frame.
we'll try order parts probably. Like, might be able to save the front fenders, but the back fenders will probably just go with fiberglass.
Oh, okay.
Just because it's cheaper and easier.
You can still order for them?
Oh yeah, in the States they have all that. Right now, because of the COVID,
All right.
really
Look how solid the frame is.
get it up here,
It's just still, like,
but they do have it.
really solid.
You know, like it's pretty well, but it builds itself a 67 Camaro from scratch, but I didn't know it was this far back.
Oh yeah, they got all this stuff.
Are all three of them yours?
Chassis pretty
No, just these two right here, and Aiden is his grandson.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. I'm really surprised actually.
good. Well, like you said,
Or little ones though, nothing
Yeah.
big, nothing over. There's that one and one on the other side, about the same size.
Yeah, nothing really over fist size.
Nothing
not
big.
that I care.
Yeah.
I end up burning the wood that doesn't even go in the fireplaces. It's just about hindrance. But
Yeah.
I'm thinking with this guy to swap that, he might put that one that sticks it out if you have to through and all.
Oh, yeah. Look at that, eh? Who would have thought we'd be changing a tire on the old girl today?
Just not used to
She
that.
said, what'd you say? You said like 40 years it's been up here.
Yeah, 43
Like,
years.
get the tire off.
Since 1977.
Is that how long it's been up here, Kyle?
What?
Not since 77 it's been sitting there?
Yes.
See, I was thinking I'd have to take the big impact gun to even get those nuts to move, and they'd probably snap everything off, and it just came off like there's nothing to it.
You know, you can park it at my house, Les.
I don't have to if my wife sees me.
So where do you do the work? At your place? You got a garage?
Yeah, I got a 2-car garage. Well, a car and a half right now because my kids have got stuff in it. But
Hey, doggy.
Oh, you're filming, are you?
Hey, little one.
Yeah, he wants to film it.
Hey, little one.
Okay. Well, that's a good idea. When it comes out, well, you know, looking really good in
Yeah.
5, 6, 10, 20 years, whatever. So.
Hey, Heidi.
That's Chloe.
She's holding there, buddy.
This one's Chloe.
Josh off.
Chloe, that's right.
Look at that.
Heidi's not big enough to ball.
Amazing.
That's great. For how long, I wonder?
She won't give you the ball.
Heidi.
If only we had more air, eh?
Heidi.
All you gotta do is hold it and just point in the direction of, just straight up like this.
Straight up and down.
And then just kind of watch the truck, this truck over here, and just kind of watch it drag out of here.
Oh, fair
So
enough.
we have it, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, sir.
Not a problem. There again with that third crap. Joe. Joe.
Yeah. Hey, Les, or Les, do you want to video it, or? You want to video it, and then I'll pull?
I can do a bit. You want to pull up, just put your windows down, I can yell at you.
Yeah, video it, pull wherever.
I need a drink.
Okay, in a second, Aiden. Just come on, get back over here. They're pulling the truck out. The tow truck's here. Okay, put your windows down, Will. Okay. Just take her slow. Hang on a sec. Whoa. Let's see if I can find neutral. See.
Keep those little emergency brakes out, making the back wheel.
Okay, go ahead, try some more. She's sticking in whatever. You're doing good, Will. Looks great. You're doing good. You're missing all the trees. I don't know why the rear end's sticking, but like you say, maybe. Hey! Hang on! Whoa! Whoa! Okay, go ahead. Just had a little bit of a tree branch to watch out for. That's good, Will. There we go. Our friend's here to load it on his trailer. And I'll never hear the end about the Dodge beating the Chevy. There's where she came from.
Good. Ready.
That's great, eh? Yeah. Look at that.
Okay, did you
Perfect timing. And the flat
back
guy,
up just a hair and then we'll unhook
already
the
did.
strings? Oh, okay, okay.
Already got her. Look at that. Yeah, I think it's a 1953 Chevy 3/4 ton. Wow. 3100. That is so cool, man.
Get out of town.
Now that looks way better.
That's a spot.
Yeah, if you took that side off, it'd be good too. It's probably good, Les. That's what she said, and I looked it up, and it looks pretty similar. Oh, yeah. And it says right on there that the 1420s were a 53 3/4 ton. 3100. The boys being good up there? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, they do.
We're just gonna winch it on now. You'll even be more crazy when you're driving by his house on the flat deck, eh?
Well, it's a gorgeous little truck.
You want to ratchet strap that door before he...
Yeah, they're just sitting at the sides here. I just gotta put these sockets back.
The thing of beauty. They just don't make them anymore, eh?
No.
Like that.
What I was gonna do is go right around this way and then just wrap this up here. Oh!
It's always good to ask before you see your face or something on there, right?
I guess this isn't worth saving, is it?
I would. It's another piece to it. That's a nice big truck, eh?
That's a nice truck. When you first saw the truck, I thought it was a garage. No, you don't. I don't know. I got that done. I'll try and shove it on the other side.
Yeah, it'll come over.
Come on, Luke.
He turned it pretty good.
Go ahead. You're good to go again.
There it is. Yeah, you're doing good, Les, right there. That's good, eh? That's good.
How's that?
Perfect. Just crawling right on there, buddy. Isn't that amazing?
That's cool, eh? This is a lot easier than what we did last time.
Yeah. Last time down that ravine, that was terrible.
You don't want to do that anymore.